Hi guys! At ito nga pala ang pinakauna namin YouTube video. And allow us to introduce ourselves. Ang grupo namin is called The Complicated. And sa video ito is malalaman nyo kung sino nga ba kami at magpapakilala kami sa inyong lahat. And sana mag-enjoy kayo.
Hi guys, ako nga pala si Justin. In short, pwede nyo akong tawagin King. Isa akong miyembro ng tinatawag na grupo na Complicated. And since ito ang pinakauna naming video is allow me na magpakilala sa inyong lahat. And syempre sisimulan ko na sa mga hobbies ko. Ang masasabi kong hobbies ko is yung paglalaro ko ng online games tulad ng ML. And sports din tulad ng basketball, volleyball, billiards, and mahilig din ako kumain. Yung mga sasabi ko naman mga talento ko or strength is yun nga, yung talento ko naman and strength ko is yung pagiging multi-sported ko kasi na-explore ko lahat ng sports and some sports is I know yung mga basics nila. And masasabi ko rin na marunong ako sumayaw. And ano naman yung mga experience or challenges na nakakatulong sa akin hanggang ngayon is syempre yung mga oras na nagkakamali ako. Bakit? Kasi kada kamali there's a lesson, and din yun nakakapagpatulong sa akin to become a better person up to this day. And yung mga achievements naman na masasabi akong proud ako is siguro yung pagiging ano ko pa rin ngayon is andito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon kasi yung challenges na nadadaanan mo bilang isang teenager is mahirap, syempre high school, and masaya ako kasi na-conquer ko yung lahat. And ano naman yung mga personal dream ko, yung mga personal dream ko naman is gusto ko maging IT. Syempre gusto ko magkaroon ng trabaho, makapagtapos ng pag-aaral muna syempre kasi gusto ko makatulong sa family ko and hindi maging pabigat sa bahay. And yung gusto ko naman makita yung vision ko naman para sa channel na to is sana maging successful siya, and I hope sana mag-enjoy yung mga viewers sa content namin. And kung gusto nyo makita, mag-subscribe na kayo. Bye!
Hello guys! Justin Ian Bergola nga pala. What are your hobbies or favorite activities? Hobbies ko po matulog, tumambay, maglaro ng ML. Wala pong abulon yung buhay ko eh. What is your talent or strength and how could you describe your personality? Wala po akong talent, hindi ko pa po nadidiscover. Siguro po yung strength ko is napag-adapt ako na mabilis sa paligid ko po. And yung personality ko po, hindi ko rin po alam kasi paiba-iba po personality ko, depende po sa mga kasama ko. What is one experience or challenge that helped you shape who you are today? Pag nag-step out po ako sa comfort zone ko, mas nakapag-discover po ako ng iba't ibang pwedeng maging hobbies. What is one achievement or lesson that you are proud of? Siguro po ito pong nakapag-aral po ako, itong nakapag-grade 11 ako. Personally po, wala pa po ako nararating sa buhay. Kasi estudyante pa po ako eh. And yung lesson po na kinikare ko till now is you don't have to be the best today. You just gotta be better than yesterday. What is your personal dream and what do you hope for our channel? Personal dream ko po is magkapamilya, maging mayaman, and syempre po makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. I know ko po sa channel ito is sana po may matutunan po ay sa amin. Yun lang po, bye-bye!
Good morning everyone, I am Justin Ibuls and I am one of the members of and I'm here today to introduce myself. And in my introductions, I will be able to answer questions like what's my hobbies, strength, what challenges that shape me today, what's gonna be my personal goal for the future, and what I hope will happen to our channel. So let's get going. Let's start. Let's start with my hobbies. My hobbies is using my computer, and I play computer games like Valorant, Minecraft, and Roblox. And I also like playing sports, especially chess, badminton, and basketball. For my strength, it's probably adapting. when I face a problem, I learn how to overcome it. So the next time I see it again, I will be able to face it. For the challenges that shape me is probably graduating high school. High school had so many assignments, and I became overworked, and I did not get any sleep at all. And for my personal dream, it's probably being a successful and having a job in IT and making my family happy. What I hope for our channel is for us to be successful and have a lot of subscribers. That's all. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Jasper Dimitrian, or for short. And one interesting fact about me is that I can easily adapt to a new environment easily. And for my hobbies, ano mga hilig ko, una na dyan yung paglalaro ng online games, pagtutugtog ng piano, at syempre, matulog ka mag-relax. And for my strengths or talent, masasabi kong magaling ako sa pag-piano at mag-listen ako pagkabisado yung mga bagay-bagay. And for my sa mga experience ko naman na naka-influensya sa akin is yung mga pinagdadaanan ko sa school. May mga challenge na hindi naging madali para sa akin, pero natutunan ko kung kayanin at harapin ang mga ito. Ang lesson na dala ko hanggang ngayon ay huwag agad sumuko at patuloy lang mag-improve. And para naman sa goal ko, gusto kong maging successful balang araw at maging mas mabuting version ng sarili ko. Para sa challenge na gusto kong makagawa kami ng masaya at interesting na may enjoy ng mga manonood. Yun lang.
I'm going to make a video about myself, okay? Now let's start. Introduction. My name is Rohan Kelly Fernandez and I'm 15 years old. Next, what is my hobby or interest? My hobby or interest is to play basketball, okay? Now next, what is my talent or strength? My talent or strength is to solve math in my head. Okay, next, what is my personality? Minsan, mahiyain. Minsan, walang hiya. Okay, next. What is my meaningful experience that you encounter? Syempre naman na na-encounter ko ay gumala kami ng aking mga magulang. Now next, what is my biggest achievement? My biggest achievement is, yun nga, kasama ko magulang ko ngayon na nandyan sila para sa akin. Now next, what is one lesson that carry with you until now? Ano nga ba yun? Ang lagi kong ina-apply ko sa sarili na yun ay maging humble ka. Huwag kang tumingin sa ibang tao na maliit sila. Okay, now next. What is my personal goal or dream? Siyempre maging successful at matulungan ko ang aking mga magulang. Now lastly, ano yung vision ko for our group? Wala naman yung ibang comment na parang goods lang. Yun lang po.
Hello guys! Ako po pala si Princess Aina Nicole Endasco. Mahilig po akong manood ng mga movies at makinig ng mga music at lalo na po makipag-banding with friends at saka po mag-thirst trap. Talent ko rin po ay ang pagkanta at pagsayaw, lalo na po yung TikTok dance. Masasabi ko pong friendly at approachable po akong tao at isa rin po ang pagiging masipag at willing pong matuto. May mga challenges din po akong pinagdaanan at nakatulong po ito para mas maging matatag at patient na tao. Proud po ako sa mga bagay na nalagpasan ko at sa mga natutunan ko. Pangarap ko rin po ay ang maabot ang mga goals ko at mapasaya yung mga taong sumusuporta sa akin. Para naman po sa channel namin, sana maging masaya, memorable at entertaining po itong video para sa inyo.
Good day everyone, my name is Ayesha Iboto and I'm going to share a little bit things about myself. Good day everyone, my name is Ayesha Iboto and I'm going to share a little bit things about myself. My hobbies are doing my makeup, making thirst traps, and listening to music. My strength is that I never give up even though things get difficult. My talent is dancing. Di talaga. For my personality, I'm shy, nonchalant, but clingy when I'm comfortable and a happy person. One meaningful experience I had was becoming close to someone I really cared about. It taught me how to love, understand others, and appreciate important people in my life. My biggest achievement is being able to keep going despite difficult problems and struggles. One lesson I learned is to not give my full trust too easily and to always remember to value myself. My goal is to get a better job and travel to the countries I'm always dreaming of visiting. Lastly, my vision for our group is to create a positive and a supportive space when we can share ideas, communicate, help each other, and achieve our goals together. That's all, guys. Thank you for listening. Bye!
Good day, everybody. I am Bea Ashley Evangelista. You can call me B in short. And my favorite activities is playing music, drawing, and also reading books. My talent is playing other instruments and also drawing. One experience that helped me shape of who I am is living out of my comfort zone because I have learned other things around. And also, my biggest achievement is that, ayun, parang paulit-ulit lang, I learned. Dami kong natutunan, ang dami kong perspective na kailangan, ganito, ganyan. And ayun, my personal goal is maging successful so that I can make my parents proud. And also, ang hope ko sa channel na ito is that we grow together and also maging inspiration din sa amin sa mga nanonood. Ayun lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.